In today's video, we're diving into how to integrate SuiteDash with your accounting tools for smooth billing. If you've been struggling to keep your finances in check while using SuiteDash, or if you just want to know how to streamline your workflow, you're in the right place. Stay tuned till the end, because not only will I show you how to link your accounting tools with SuiteDash, but I'll also reveal some powerful alternatives that could work even better for your specific billing needs. First up, SuiteDash offers some great features for integration, but it can be a bit tricky to get started if you're not familiar with the setup. You'll need to connect your accounting tool, like QuickBooks or Xero, to SuiteDash in order to sync invoices, payments, and financial records seamlessly. Let's start by looking at how to integrate QuickBooks, which is a popular choice for many businesses. Next thing you'll want to do is head to the Settings section in SuiteDash. Once there, locate the Integrations tab. You'll find QuickBooks listed as an option, so click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your QuickBooks account details and authenticate the connection. This is where things can get a bit tricky. Make sure your QuickBooks account is properly set up and linked to your business before proceeding. The third thing to consider is syncing your invoice data. After the integration is complete, SuiteDash will automatically pull invoice data from QuickBooks to ensure your billing records are up to date. But here's the catch. Sometimes the data might not sync properly, and you'll have to manually adjust the settings or do a quick sync refresh. So, while it's powerful, you'll need to keep an eye on it, especially in the early stages. Moving on to Xero integration. If you prefer Xero over QuickBooks, the process is pretty similar. You'll follow the same steps in SuiteDash, go to Settings, find the Integration section, and connect Xero to SuiteDash. While it's smooth once set up, just like with QuickBooks, you might encounter some hiccups where Xero doesn't sync right away. So, you'll want to test this a few times to make sure the two platforms are playing nice together. Now, let's talk about customization. One of the advantages of SuiteDash is the ability to customize the integration with different accounting tools. This is especially useful if you want to tailor your billing system to match your unique business model. But beware, the customization options can sometimes feel overwhelming, and there's a learning curve involved. Make sure you fully understand your business's billing needs before diving into all the custom settings, or you could end up with a mess of mismatched data. Finally, I'm going to mention an alternative tool that might be a better fit for you. While SuiteDash is a solid option for many, tools like FreshBooks and Zoho Books might offer smoother, more intuitive integrations with accounting tools and provide a more user-friendly experience, especially for smaller businesses or those looking for ease of use. They also have free trials, so you can test them out risk-free and see if they align better with your needs. To wrap up, SuiteDash does provide decent integration with your accounting tools for smooth billing, but it's not without its challenges. If you're looking for a more straightforward solution, check out FreshBooks or Zoho Books. Both are excellent alternatives with seamless integrations. And as a bonus for our viewers, through the link in the description, you can grab an exclusive extended free trial for SuiteDash. But remember, FreshBooks and Zoho also offer free trials, and I highly recommend checking them out for smoother integrations that might better suit your business needs.